Are you frustrated by your Elgato Cam Link showing no signal? How to fix Elgato Cam Link no signal is a common problem that plagues content creators and streamers alike, interrupting your creative flow. But don't worry, we've got you covered with a troubleshooting guide that will get your Cam Link back up and running smoothly. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to streaming without a hitch. Step 1. Check your connections. First things first, ensure that all connections are secure. Unplug your Cam Link from your PC or laptop and then reconnect it firmly. Examine the HDMI cable connecting your camera to the Cam Link for any signs of damage or loose connection. Swapping out the HDMI cable with a different one might fix the issue if the cable is faulty. Always use high-quality cables to prevent such issues. Step 2. Verify camera setting. The next step is to confirm that your camera is correctly set up to work with the Cam Link. Ensure your camera is set to output video via HDMI and is set to the appropriate resolution and frame rate. Most often, setting the camera's output to 1080p, 30 or 60 frames per second works seamlessly with the Cam Link. Refer to your camera's user manual for specific instructions. Step 3. Update Elgato software and drivers. Keeping your software up to date can prevent many hardware compatibilities and signal issues. Head over to the Elgato website and download the latest version of the Game Capture and 4K Capture utility software. Install any updates available as well as any new drivers for the Cam Link. Ensuring your system is up to date enhances performance and compatibility. Step 4. Test on a different USB port. If you're still experiencing issues, try connecting the Cam Link to a different USB port on your computer. USB 3.0 ports are generally preferred due to their faster data transfer rates. Avoid using USB hubs or splitters, which can cause connectivity issues. Direct connection to the PC often yields better results. Step 5. Reboot and recheck settings. Sometimes all your system needs is a fresh start. Reboot your computer and check your streaming software settings to ensure that the Cam Link is selected as the video input source. In OBS, Streamlabs, or any other streaming software you use, go to the video capture device settings and confirm that Cam Link is recognized and selected as the input source. Solving the how to fix Elgato Cam Link no signal problem is not as daunting as it seems. By following these outlined steps, you can eliminate most of the common issues that lead to no signal problems. Remember, checking connections, verifying camera settings, updating software, trying different USB ports, and rebooting can significantly increase your chances of having a smooth streaming experience. Experience seamless content creation once again by taking these proactive troubleshooting steps. If issues persist, consulting Elgato support for more advanced solutions is always a smart move. Enjoy your uninterrupted streaming sessions and let your creativity flow without technical interruptions.